Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to restore your Snapstreaks on a Snapchat. Now there is a new feature available on Snapchat which is also known as restore your broken Snapstreaks. So now to restore it you need to simply follow the steps on in the video. So simply follow the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. And to do so you need to simply open Snapchat on device, but before that make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of mobile data. So after that simply open Snapchat. So after opening Snapchat, this is the home page where you will see all of it. So now to restore your Snapstreak you need to simply click on the chat icon, and you need to scroll down and find with the people, or you'll be able to see the option which is restore. Now to restore your Snapstreaks you need to simply click on the option of restore, or click on the person you want to restore there. Click on restore. So now you will get the option of clicking a photo. So simply click the photo like this by clicking on the center of the screen, and you may send them the snap or streak. Remember that you'll only be able to restore your streak for one time. You'll be able to restore your streak for one time. You'll be able to restore your Snapstreak free for one time, and remember that that is only limited time. So to restore you again you need to pay a amount of 0.99, which is also known as 99 cents. So click on the option of restore. Now you need to enter your card details. So click on the option of purchase, and you need to sign in into the Apple ID, and you need to enter your card details along with your CVC code and the expiry date of the card date. So after doing that you'll be able to restore your broken Snapstreaks by clicking on the option of restore. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.